Painshill Park and Grotto, UK. Park your car, follow the path across the bridge towards the entrance. Last entry is 1 hour before, but the grotto closes earlier. At the shop, you buy your tickets. It's quite pricey, about £15 per person. Keep on going and you'll get to see a little cafe. This is the only spot where you can get any food. We're at the very beginning and we're following the red trail. It's a very nice walk. The first area is the vineyard. Next is the Gothic temple. Straight down is the cedar tree. That's the Chinese bridge, but it's under construction, so we're actually going all the way around to reach the grotto. From here, it doesn't look that nice and it is man-made. At the entrance, they didn't tell us the bridge was under construction, so this whole journey actually took us about 3 hours to walk around. As we're going towards the grotto, we saw all of these ducks coming through from the bridge. There was just so many in the field, and as you walk a little bit closer, you can actually see the ducks eating the flowers. Eventually, you walk past the ruined ark. Nearby is the Woollet Bridge, and this is known for its reflection. We are now on the Grotto Island. As you go further down, you'll find lots of tourists here because it's more lit and full of photo opportunities. Unfortunately, the tourists are very aggressive. On the other side of the Grotto Island, we can sort of see a ruined abbey in the background. We're now walking backwards so that we can continue the path and we reach the water wheel. far away and well hidden is this hidden pub. The path was terrible to walk here, your feet is covered in dust. The map is also terrible. Eventually you reach the end to the tower. There is nothing at the tower, and continuing on, you reach this modernized temple. Everything is a cardboard cutout. Finally, you reach the Turkish tent, and that is the whole entire park. Overall, I did not enjoy this walk. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!